Greetings! This is I am Hep72 coming back at you. As you can plainly see, 7, 2, en vivo, bienvenidos en España. Greetings! Right, we have one issue. No, I've not been deported or arrested. You're in an olive tree. But first, let me do this. Let me crack a litre of Amstel 100% Malta. Give hoot, don't pollute. I am a genius and a fucking motherfucking superstar. Cheers. Lovely stuff. Life in Spain. Out here in the plane. Brilliant. Fucking hell, it's ice cold. Lovely stuff. Lovely when you need it, because it is absolutely fucking hot as a fucking prostitute's vagina when I've been around. Right, this is going to be fun. Can we get you out of the tree without breaking the camera / phone? Hey, 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 you're a bit unstable there, like me every night. Mentally or physically, I don't know. That's for Jesus Christ. Greetings and welcome back to Spain. You were in an olive tree there. That is an olive tree. That's my olive tree. There's another one of my olive trees. That's a fig tree. And over there are some chickens. Don't really know why. They just are. Salud. Wow. This is month number 2 in Spain. Enjoying life out here. Fighting the bulls. What else are we doing? Raping. I mean, having lots of sexual intercourse with women, and especially pensioners, because it's very popular for the Northern Europeans. You have the Irish, the Scottish, the Icelander. This face, Hasten's face, and I'm from Sweden. I am from Norway. I am from Danska, Denmark, and then you also have is the Low Countries. I am from Van der Willy, and I am from the Netherlands. Ja, goed zo, jongen. Ja, stick it up my bum. And Germans, but we don't talk about them until a few weeks' time. I'll get to that bit in a sec. Jeez, fucking hell. Lovely stuff. Lovely, lovely, lovely stuff. I cannot believe how warm it has been here. I hope you enjoyed the video that I did in Benidorm, which is one of the oldest resorts in the whole of Europe. It's very popular with the British, like myself. But there is one side to it that is not that nice. Yes, we did, me and my good friend, Mr. Steenix7777, we did see a woman pull a rabbit out of her vagina. Let the rabbit meet the pussy. And she pulled all sorts out of it. It was unreal. She's called Sticky Vicky. And bloody hell, that woman, I hope she's not giving birth to kids, because they'd all come out on a fucking string. All 10 of them. Feast your eyes on it, folks. Spain. Lovely Spain. Insane in the membrane. Like Cypress Hill. Lots of lovely food. Lots of fish sandwiches. Beef curtains. And 2 pork chops and a Savoy. Piss off. No, you get off. You fuck off. Twat. shall we go for a walk, shall we? So as I was saying, in the next, I need to go back. I need to go back up north, Northern Europe, because in 2 weeks' time, Hive 72 will be coming back at you live from Oktoberfest in Munich, and I have no idea how that's going to go. I really don't. I really, really don't. If they let me in, if I don't mention the war, if I don't bang too many whores, I will be there, live. And you're coming with me. I hope not, you dirty fuckers. Fuck off. There he is. Hey, Mr. Cock. Mr. Cock, what you doing? Do you want some food? Bap, bap, bap. No, no. Pollo, aquí, cerveza para tú. ¿Te gusta cerveza? Do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? No, come back, you dickhead. You stupid animal. Rugby. Fucking hell. Never work with children and animals. In fact, never work with children. Seriously. Should we go over here? All right. You see what I say? You see what I say? Oh, please put me on camera, because I'm a Spanish chicken. But then when you walk away, but I want to be on the telly. I want to be international internet superstar. What the fuck do you want? ¿Qué pasa? Pollo, ¿qué pasa? No comer para tú. Ese es bebida, ¿sí? Puta. You're gonna end up in KFC. You're gonna end up in KFC. Yeah, I know the owner of that. He will come down and cover you in was it 12 herbs and spices? Like I've been covering a lot of women in lots of white sauce. In the face, in the mouth, in the ear, and up the bum. Strangely enough. What the fuck do you want? Go away. Alright, oh yeah. Go back into your fucking nest, dickhead. Redhead. He thinks he's tough. But he isn't. But like most people. Really. What are we doing here? Shall we do some exercises, kids? Where's the door? What the fuck is he doing? Upstaged by a wild animal. Brilliant. We can get... Oh, fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Well, as a lot of you people know, I'm really old. I'm very unfit. So, I'm ready to... Shut up, you twat. I'm going to do some exercises on these free. I pay for this. This is what my residencia and my Spanish taxes pay for. Free workout things. Un momento. It doesn't matter, right, does it? I'm not doing that one because that involves hands. I might do this one. This is going to be fun, kids. Would you like to see how to do fall on his arse? In fact, let's just do this one. It's got a seat. It's more like it. So if I stick my leg over there and under here, that's what she said last night. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What does this do? Well, it doesn't do anything because I can't be bothered. It's so fucking hot. Why is it so hot? Get up. Oh, bloody hell. Fucking hell. That's a big one. Hey. She also... Jeez. Ow, ow, ow. What is this? Is that the police? It's a white car. Is that the police? It might be shit. No. Oh, this will move. This is gonna be fun. Hey, hey. Oh, we're doing it, kids. We're doing it. We're swinging. Like every night, we're swinging with different women. And is this safe? Fucking hell. Yeah. Bloody hell. Jesus, this is not fucking fastened to the fucking ground. Ow! Ow, ow, ow. Lovely stuff. Let's put you down there. We put you down. We can't put you down anywhere, really. Bloody Gorilla Pobs are shit. Rugby. Right. This probably isn't the best video I've ever made, but I don't care. It is time for the world famous Harvey 72 360-degree view live from Spain. Mucho delicioso con sabor cerveza. All right, Mr. Cricket, shut up. Jiminy Cricket. There's a man there. Another cock. What is that? What is that chicken doing? Anyway, it's about time to end the video now, folks, fans. It's been Harvey 72. Coming back at you with this awful, because it does taste like shit. This Amstel Cerveza 100% malt original 5%. Let's pour some out for the homies that are not around. Let's pour one out on the ground for Mr. Rog. R.A.P. Big Brother. And then I'm going to feed it to the chickens. I don't get out. I don't get out. It's been Harvey 72, coming back at you live in Spain. As always, give a hoot, don't pollute. Protect the environment and put it in the fucking bin. There you go. Right, do you want to see a cock? I'll just loosen my pants. Imagine that. Banned from YouTube. I nearly have been. Where are they? Here's my evening meal. Come on, you little... Yeah. Well, usually when I see a dead chicken, I say, are you a leg man or a breast man? I'm both. Do you gobble gobble? That's a turkey, isn't it? It's Christmas or Thanksgiving. Yeah, what do you want? What do you want? See, look, he's the cock. And the other, there his bitches there. He's a lucky fella. He's a lucky fella. They're all going to run away now. You didn't before. Oh, yeah. What you running away from, you chicken? You chicken. Blah, blah, blah. Chicken. Blah, blah, blah. Chicken. Blah, blah, blah. KFC. We all love KFC. This has been Harvey 72, coming back at you live from Spain. Adiós, amigos. Ese final video para mí con YouTube. Voy en España. Check the motherfucking view. That's a cock. That's a big cock. Arbol oliva. British man is fat and can't exercise. Sol. Boyo. A giant cock. La palma. Palmas. Arbol. Arbol fig. And yeah, that's about it really. Peace out, Hermes. Hasta luego. Adios.